Okay, so I'm at a cafe right now, which honestly, a lot of these days I'm at cafes, and there's a reason for that, and I'll get to it. But on the way here, I was thinking nowadays my weekdays are spent building a career that I always wanted to, and my weekends are trying different kind of coffees. And for a longest time I thought these two are separate things and I should keep them separate, but recently I realized it's not. A bit about myself. So this makes sense. My job is in the GTM right now and product marketing, and I'm going deep into analyst lens. And but outside all of this, I have whole other world going on, which is I have my own website. I write content. I create content, which you're watching, of course, right now. And the newest thing is I recently got certified as barista. And yeah, if you're listening to this and thinking that's a very long list and thinking that's a lot of different things, I thought that too for a while. But something clicked recently, and I just realized that I should talk about it. Okay, so let me start with the coffee first. So as long as I remember, I always wanted to have my own cafe, and not just like कि हम वो बचपन में सपना देखते हैं कि यार एक दिन मेरा अगर कैफे होता तो कितना अच्छा होता. Not in that way. I always wanted to pursue it for real, and it's been sitting in the back of my mind for a while now. And I believe in manifestations, and I believe that if you take step towards it, it's kind of manifesting it in a universe, and universe also pays you back for that, and it also creates its own paths for us eventually. So I thought ki okay, I cannot just like let it sit inside my head. And recently when I went to Pondi on a trip, then I was having this discussion with my friends, and then they suggested ki okay, you have been talking about it a lot since the time we know each other, so why don't you genuinely pursue it and take a step towards it. So I was like, okay, and how should I do that? So one of them suggested, there are barista courses that happen. And I was amazed, like how could not I think about it and someone else having to tell me this. So anyways, so and I was like, okay, fine, I'll do it right away. So I came back, I registered into barista course by Copy Machines. I got certified as barista, and it feels so surreal, I'm telling you. And of course, I'm not stopping there, honestly. And what I'm going to do next, or what I'm doing right now, is going to different cafes, trying different coffees, order their bestsellers, and I actually pay attention. Is it good? Could it be better? What can I do differently into it? And I'm studying like from the inside, obviously. I think the experiences make you best. I think I can do justice by saying it's not a someday dream anymore, and it's actually in the motion. And now more on the professional side, because I do not want to sound like कि मैं अपने करियर से भाग के कुछ अलग चीज़ करने की ट्राई कर रही हूँ इधर. Actually both of these things are going hand in hand for me. So I am taking time right now to build myself as an analyst, as a thinker, and I don't want world to just look at me as a hard worker, but someone who also knows her shit well, you know. And the world is moving so fast, especially with the AI and the other things that are happening in the world. And I think I believe in all of these skills, and knowledge is going to be my strong asset, and I guess for everyone it is that. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Being analyst and being barista, at the core they're the same thing. They're about paying close attention, noticing what is working, what is not working, being curious enough to ask why something is the way it is. And I'm not living two different lives. I'm building one life that has space for both the things. I want the space for my ambition and also the dream that I have always had since I was a teenager. So yeah, I used to think that I have to pick one, but I really don't think so anymore. And especially in today's world, obviously not. So yes, going forward, I'm going to keep documenting everything, my professional journey, writing, building my website, being good at coffee, trying everything, and not the polished version, the actual version. And it's going to be messy sometimes, and I think that's the point. If you're also somewhere in middle of building life that doesn't fit into one box, stick around. I'm figuring it out, and eventually I think together we all can. So stay tuned. I'm done with my cafe exploration. The best part about this cafe is that it has also got a bookstore on the top floor, and I bought one book, not for me, but whatever you buy for your brothers or friends, it's just yours. So yeah, now I'm gonna go home, reset for Monday, and see you in the next vlog. Stay tuned.